Hey, what's up guys? This is David with Great Choice Audio Video. Hey, today we're up early in the morning to show you a phenomenal backyard that we finished with using James Loudspeaker. With James all over the place. You've seen this video as we were working on it in some of our earlier videos. So this is a phenomenal backyard because it took a lot of planning to get this thing done. So I'm coming out here early so I can show you guys what a beautiful backyard it is with lighting, with the audio, and obviously being early in the morning, I can't play the audio and it's not going to really represent, very good for you guys viewing it on your mobile devices or laptops or whatever. But such a great looking space. So as you can see behind me, we have a super awesome modern pool. Now, I know you guys that entertain out there, you got your pools and everything, but sometimes you forget great audio to go around the pool, and there's so many different ways to do it. As you can see, we have all these flower beds all around the pool. Some over there, and we got some over there. But we didn't want to do, speakers in the flower beds way off to the edge. So what we did is we did custom speakers on both sides of the pool. So as we walk this way, you can see we have the James OT88's, the new tower speakers. It's kind of dark out here, but you can kind of see right there. There's that beauty. Dual 8-inch subs, 2 6.5-inch drivers, and 4 titanium tweeters. And we have a pair on each side of the pool. So, that tell you what. Talk about high performance and clean look. But speaking of clean look, look at this backyard. It's incredible. So you can see, I'll take you guys down to the second level, but we have a pair of speakers on that side. So that's the main pool zone. So what we wanted is, this is the kind of the party area. This is the area that you want to hang out in. Now let's go down to the second zone. We're going down these steps on the second level, right down here. Now, down here is a cool, modern look. If you see the back side of the pool, back over here, this is what's cool. Check this out, guys. Look at the back of that pool. It's a 25-foot sheet of acrylic, so you can see right into the pool from the second level. Now that's a cool touch. When you guys are planning your backyards, man, I tell you what, there's so many things you can do with light and landscape, and then adding in the the audio and everything else that goes around it that really makes it a warm, inviting environment, fun to play, fun to entertain in, whether you're cranking the music for a big party or just relaxing to a nice, favorite beverage that you drink. So, but check this out. Oh my goodness. And then so what we did also, we created a second zone down here by the lower section. So I'm gonna circle you guys back around. And right here is a fire pit area. Now check this out. This fire pit, it's not just any fire pit. A lot of thought went into this, and it oversees, spinning you guys around a little bit, the pond. And then right below, on the bottom level, it's not quite done yet, but there's a big putting green gonna be down there. Let me arrow down. See, there's a big putting green that's going right down there, going all the way across. So super cool. But let me take you back up to the second level here. Right here, there we go. So check this out. This seats several people, fire pit, but what's really cool is that with some planning, we put in some custom James speakers built into the bench. So you don't really see them very well. Matter of fact, let's take you down here. Check this out. See that right there, the grill? There is your James speaker built into the bench. Come back here a little bit so you guys can see that. Look at that. Man, custom matched, beautiful, phenomenal sound. What's nice about it is that, you know, if they just want some relaxing music out here, not have the whole rest of the system cranking, then this this works out really well. So, you know, there's tons of stuff they can do in this backyard because a lot of planning went into this. Like I said, guys, you know, just a little thought, you know, your Bluetooth speakers, not gonna work very well here. So this is a great system because it has, you know, a patio up by the house. It's on its own zone with a Sierra 75-inch outdoor TV. Again, outdoor TV, guys, don't put regular TVs outside. But it's got its own James system over there with some in-ceiling James speakers, in-ceiling James sub, phenomenal sound. So there's zone 1. Then we have the OT88's on both sides of the pool, zone 2. But you can group them if you would like. And then for zone 3, we have that area over there, which is the seating area for the fire pit. And man, what a difference this makes. So if you're entertaining and partying, you group all 3 zones and you get the same music playing everywhere. People are out here by the pond and the putting green, having a good old time. We got speakers by the area, you know, where people are just hanging out watching over the pond or watching people, you know, putt or chip or whatever they're doing on the putting greens. And then you got this nice open area to do whatever in. And then you have, of course, this beautiful glass as you walk across here that sees through into the pool. And man, I tell you what, this area is awesome, awesome. And guys, you know, like I said, all it takes is a little planning. You know, we try to, you know, go at the very beginning stages, figure what all the wiring runs need to be, the type of experience you're trying to get, the look, when we're talking about lighting, when we're talking about audio, talk about video. There's so many things we can do with a little bit of planning. You plan how you want your house to look, you plan how you want your, you know, pool to look. Well, same thought and you know, energy goes into planning everything around it because, you know, a pool by itself is fun. But, you know, when friends and family are over, it sure is nice to have some music, especially if it's nice music. You know, especially if you actually do entertain with a lot of people and you want to do play it loud and you don't want to have to play it super loud for you to hear on one side, not the other. So good distribution, even coverage is important. The looks are important. So there's so many different things and variables that go into a great backyard like this, guys. So I want you to watch this video. Hopefully, you know, bring some cool ideas for you when you're building your backyard paradise, landscape, whatever you're doing, because man, it is so well worth it when it's done. So, you know, going up to something like this and having this in your own backyard, like I said, it's like your own little paradise. So, guys, hope you're having a good one. Hope you like the video. Subscribe. I wish I could show you how awesome this sound is, but it's, like I said, it wouldn't come on video, and probably all the neighbors would get mad at me if I crank it so early in the morning. So leave me comments down below if you guys have any questions, and hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, email us if you guys have any questions, design questions for your backyard, or want us to come out and design your backyard, because this is something that we love to do. So like I said, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Till next time, we'll see you.